Hello, this is Nick from Nexus Property Management, Worcester. Just coming to you today to show you this new apartment that we have for rent at 73 Esther Street, apartment 3 in Worcester, Massachusetts. This is a 1-bedroom, 1-bathroom apartment on the 3rd floor in Worcester. And I'm going to be going around and just trying to give you the best idea of the size and the dimensions of this place I can from the video, as well as pointing out a lot of the nice things that this place has to offer. So this is just after the renovation. The owners did a really great job with this place. It's a full renovation, so you're going to see brand new floors, new flooring installed, and fresh paint of the walls and the trims throughout, and many other new installations in here. One installation that's on its way is the fridge. So the fridge is going to be here, and you can see we're in the kitchen now. It's a lot of space in the kitchen. Even when the fridge is in here, there's still going to be space for like a table. And over here, you've got the pantry for some more storage. But at least in the kitchen, it looks really great in here. You got blinds on the windows going throughout the unit already installed, and it's the gas system. So it's gas for the cooking, gas for the heat and the hot water as well. And this is a 1-bed. So over here to my left, that's the 1-bedroom, and here's the pantry kitchen. This door is actually just from the front walk up the stairs. So it's a three-floor walk up. And this is the bedroom over here. So bedroom's really nice. Definitely has a lot of space and a good amount of light coming through with this window. And so you can see the amount of space is probably good enough for like a queen size bed and a desk and a dresser setup that could totally fit in there. And then this is the kitchen. So you got, it's kind of like a ceramic sink, which has a really nice finish. And you got, freshly painted on everything else. So it's really nice to see all that here in the kitchen. And coming over here, this is the bathroom. So it's a full bath. You've got the tub over here, tub, floor, toilet, sink, and it's got a nice mirror that's like a medicine cabinet too. It's a fold out. And so this is the full of the bathroom in here. And then that bathroom just goes out right to this kind of corridor in between where the living room and the kitchen is. And this is the living room. So this is kind of like a little bit later in the afternoon in the winter. So this is what the sun will look like. But I think it looks really nice at the angle that it comes in and with how it looks in here. So this is a nice living room. You could fit a big sectional couch and an entertainment system, no problem. And to my right here, this is like a walk-in closet right next to the living room. So it's got a huge bar for, you could put clothes or really anything. Since the bedroom itself doesn't have a closet, and that would just go all there. So it's a really nice apartment that's kind of all put together. And this is just the door that goes down the back steps. And if you have any questions, you can go to nexuswor.com and you can visit our vacancies page or our for rent page. That's going to have all the available units we have, including this one while it's available. And we'll have each apartment will have the option to reach out to a leasing agent there to ask any additional questions, but it should have all the details there as well. And once again, it's been Nick from Nexus Property Management, Worcester, 73 Esther Street, Unit 3 in Worcester.